Oppo A38 forgot password. We have to get into recovery mode. This will erase all of your data. We can just only use these 3 buttons. Press volume button and power button all together. Press and hold until it will restart. The phone is get into the recovery mode. Here is the recovery mode. Use volume button up and down to navigate your selection. Press down button and select English. Press power button to select. Navigate to format data and press power button. Now enter the verification code. Tap on format. Phone now is wiping the data. Your phone data has been formatted. Press OK. Your phone is rebooting. Your phone is now successfully reset.